Bro, I'm not gonna lie, this movie's kinda dead, you know.
Bruv, how about you shut up, yeah? You're short. Idiot, you can't even see the TV.
What's wrong with you, fam? I was just saying, you know what? You're jarring, you know that. I'm 5 foot. Hey, oh shit, my mum's calling. Just shut up for 1 minute, yeah? Bro, shut up.
What was that?
Nah, mum, that was Darren. He's just being an idiot, innit? Yeah, what's up, mum? Watch. What? Nah, mum, nah, it's not. Mum, it's Darren.
Are you sure that's not a girl? I'm sure it's a girl.
I'm telling you, it's not me, fam. I'm not with a girl. Please. I'm telling you it's him.
That's it. You're getting married to Hafsa.
No, it is. No, please,
That's
anything
it.
with that.
No, that's
Mum,
it. Bye.
Mum. Bro, is everything alright? You know I was joking, innit? She doesn't know it was me, right? If you don't understand what's gonna happen now, yeah? Because of you, man has to marry his cousin. You know Hafsa?
Oh shit, not her.
Yeah, I've got to marry her, bro. Bro, you need to relax. Man is practically a lawyer, you know that. I seen on TikTok the other day, you can't get married without consent. You know that? You stupid, you're not a lawyer, yeah? And it ain't illegal, and you don't need consent in Pakistan, fam. They're just gonna take me down and be like, you're marrying her. Like, bruv, I'm not coming to your house again, I'm not. Trust me, man.